raise your right hand. Pag I said I, please state your name. If I see off, state your address or residence. I hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the DIC officer's profession in the Philippines, and that I will and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligation upon legally authorized the officers practitioner. So help me God. I congratulate you all. Thank you.
State your name. Of, state your residence.
Of 156.
Having been duly accepted as a regular member of the Masters and Maids Association of the Philippines, do hereby solemnly swear that I will support and uphold its articles and bylaws. I will voluntarily submit my personal ambition and interest to the same, that I will obey the rules and regulations and resolutions promulgated by the duly constituted authorities, and that I will impose this obligation without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations and welcome to Mama.